Hi fans, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and hope you guys are staying safe, guys. It's very important for you guys to stay safe. For my customers and for my fans outside Nigeria, you guys should keep on staying safe because of the COVID-19 issue. Okay, love you guys. And hi guys, my name is Vivian Arrows, the founder of Olyveenorganicskincare, should in case you don't know. Yeah, and hope you guys are following me in my social media platform, my Instagram handle, my Facebook handle, and my YouTube channel at Olyveenorganicskincare. Guys, you can follow me there and we'll get it Yes guys, I'm going to use this opportunity or this medium to announce to you guys that our class is coming on very soon. Our advanced skincare class is coming on very soon, guys. You wouldn't want to miss this class. Like seriously, this class has been so requested from most of my fans and most of my subscribers in YouTube. Yes, yeah, this class is coming on very soon. Not the dates, I've not really put the date on or for this class yet, but as time goes on, I'm going to announce the dates which week we're going to start this class. Okay, so for now, if you are interested for this class is a very good and to be a very detailed class, guys. You guys know that I keep it real with you guys. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, you know that I always keep it real with you guys. And if you have been training with me, you know that I keep it like pure and real with you guys. And yeah, if you are interested for this class, you can as well chat me up for more inquiry or for more details. I'm going to be giving you guys over 35 recipes, a very effective skincare class. No, it's not your regular class you attend, okay? And believe me guys, this class is not going to be a time wasted at all. It's not going to be a time wasted at all. It's not going to be a time wasted, and it's going to be very effective recipes that I'm going to be dropping for this class. Have you learned how to promise or how to produce or how to make your skincare products effectively that will not damage people's skin, or how to make a very unique skincare product that doesn't damage your skin, that make you look flawless, that when you sell out your product, people will admire your products and come back for more? Yes, if you have not, you have to enroll for this class, guys. This class is going to be the hit, like the hottest. I call it advanced for a reason, guys. I call it advanced for a reason. And believe me, if you are this kind of person, you are this kind of person that you are being skeptical of the kind of product or some things you need to add to your cream and everything, just enroll for this class. If you are this kind of person that you want to learn or you want to start producing your own skincare product, effective skincare product, enroll for this class. You will really love this class. And if you are this kind of person that you have been measuring from 1 tablespoon, this class is more than producing or making your product from 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. This is more than that, okay? This is if you want to learn how to produce in large quantity, if you want to turn this skincare into your business, like you would want to enroll for this class, okay? And if you are this kind of person that you don't know how to produce, or you don't know how to work with your ingredients, you don't know how to combine some ingredients together to achieve a very good result, you want to enroll for this class, because this class is a combination of synthetic and pure organic. It's a combination of synthetic and pure organic. We are using the natural whitening powders and our botanical powders to produce and to join together to produce a very good and effective recipe that you can sell to your products, to your customers, and they will come back to patronize you for more. If you want to know more about this class, you want to chat me up and get more details about this class. And when you pay, I add it to the paid group, and then I will announce when our class is going to kick off. But for this class, I don't really like my class to be so crowded. 20 people will kick off for this class. Yes, once we have 20 in the class, we kick up. Okay, once we are 20 in the group, we kick off for this class, and the fee of this class is 20,000 naira. Please, 20,000 naira. Don't come and ask me if it's 10,000 or 15,000. No, I don't. This is my advanced training, and this is a group class. That is why the fee is 20,000. This class worth more than that, but because it's a group class, that is why I reduced the fee to 20,000 naira, and I'm not reducing anything more than that, please. And if you want to go for my recipe class is 15,000 naira, but this one is a full class, like a full class. I am giving you guys over 30 something recipes recipes that does the work, recipes that work, not copy and paste, not like your regular class that you attend. Okay, this is a class you attend and you work with your recipes. Okay, so if you are interested, you want to enroll for this class and get more details about this class, chat me up. But if you're not chatting me up for this class, if you're not chatting me up partaking this class, like discussing about this class, please don't chat me up. Okay, if you are chatting me up for any other thing, I'm not going to respond to it. But if you're chatting me partaking to this class, then you will have my attention. Okay, and you are chatting me to ask for the details about this class, please guys, please don't say I did not, like I'm ignoring you guys on your WhatsApp or something like that. Please, it's not easy for me as well, but I made this video to like clear everything. Let it be clear, let it be plain to everyone. Okay, let it be clear to everyone. And believe me guys, like I said, this class is not going to be time wasted. Make your products, have that product that you use, and your customers are not going to complain of dark knuckles, on even skin tone and a flawless face. Guys, like seriously, you want to learn this class, you want to join this class, because it's not going to be time wasted. All right guys, see you guys next on my my social media handle. You can as well follow me, and to learn more about skincare and to learn more about formulation, you can as well follow me on my YouTube channel at Olyveenorganicskincare, and follow me, subscribe, and also turn your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in my platform. Okay, take care and see you guys next in my next amazing video like this. Love you guys.